Go.
Hi, I'm Gray Cox. I teach here in Maine in the United States at a college for human ecology and been doing research on artificial intelligence for quite a while. And my friend Ram is organizing a dialogue in June, a series of dialogues that I'd like to invite you all to. It's going to be dialogues about dialogue and artificial intelligence and how dialogue and dialogical reasoning can help us structure the way artificial intelligence enters into all the life systems that we depend on in a more human ecological way, a wiser way. There's trillions of dollars that are being spent to make this a smarter planet. Smart cars, smart phones, smart farms, smart schools, smart prisons, and smart bombs and battlefields. But what we really need to focus on is not so much smarter systems as wiser systems. Let me just say briefly what I mean by that. Smart systems are designed to achieve one or a few values or goals in the most efficient, economic way possible. Maximize productions of soybeans per hectare on a farm, or maximize the increase in reading, writing, and arithmetic scores in a school. But farms and schools serve lots of other purposes. Farms have plants that produce oxygen that we need to breathe, and landscape that purifies the water through aquifers that we need to drink, and habitat for birds and for pollinators. And schools provide places for people to form character and friendships and a sense of community identity and cultural centers and safe harbors for kids to be while their parents are at work. Wiser systems are ones that take all these values into account as much as we can and try to do so in a balanced way. That's what a wiser system is, a more human ecological system. And for a wiser Earth, we need to be designing and managing the AI systems that are entering into all our life systems so that they serve that kind of dialogue that can promote wisdom of that sort. It involves not only changing the way we manage the AI, but also the way we manage or engage with each other in our communities, so that the voices of all the different kinds of intelligence that are available can be integrated. You know, there's emotional intelligence and social intelligence and mathematical intelligence and visual intelligence and artistic. All those different kinds of intelligence in humans have to be integrated, but also machines have lots of different, increasingly new and powerful forms of intelligence that can also be helpful in managing our life systems. And plants and animals also have ways in which they've evolved to provide intelligent solutions to their own life and reproduction as processes, as part of larger ecosystems. So what we need to be looking at, and what I'm hoping that we'll be in dialogue about with Ram and those of you that come, is ways in which we can join forces, both people who are technologically savvy and focused on developing technology, and then also people who are savvy as activists, or who are just simply concerned in a serious way as citizens, who want to combine all the different kinds of intelligence and points of view and voices that we need to manage this Earth well into a wiser system. So I look forward to dialoguing with all of you about this. See you then.